Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Merck is a Fortune 500 company within the drug manufacture industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 4%, thumbs down. Earnings growth, 12.2%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 9.57%, thumbs up. Return on capital, 11.89%, thumbs down. Debt to free cash flow, 2.68, thumbs up. Share buybacks, yes, thumbs up. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.6%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 53.7%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 8.15%, thumbs up. Growth years, 12 years, thumbs up. 8 out of 10 thumbs up. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look on Merck for your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.